Hello, welcome to our short explanations of our affiliate software QualityClick. And today I want to say something about tracking, about our standard tracking. To check if you have standard tracking, you just go to Program or Campaign and check the tracking codes. And if you have this, a call of the get trans CGI, then you have standard tracking. If you don't, then probably you have anchor tracking. How that works, I will tell you later. So if you have get trans CGI, that's the script that you implement in your shop, then you have standard tracking, and I show you how that works. So QualityClick standard tracking, how does it work? Like this, pretty easy, but let's go through it step by step. First thing is, QualityClick is software as a server, so it runs on our server. It's your domain, but our server. So you can take a subdomain of your shop, like affiliate.yourshop.com, and reroute it to our server, and the program will be running here. So this is a PC of one of your customers browsing through the web. And he comes to one of your affiliate pages, or the page of one of your affiliates, clicks on some kind of ad, text link, banner or something, and in this ad there will be a call of a cookie script. The cookie script is, in this case, Go CGI, will be call our server and will redirect to your landing page. And while redirecting, the browser sets a cookie. And after some time, which is defined by your cookie lifetime, which you can set in the campaign details, after some time he comes to your shop with the cookie and the browser. And when he buys something, he comes to your shop completion page, where you say thank you for ordering, payment was a success, and all that. And there will be another call of a CGI script, which is the get trans CGI, which I showed you earlier. And this second CGI script will write the transaction in the QualityClick system. And it will take the information of the cookie, also which affiliate brought the customer to your shop. So we can check two things. First, the cookie script, the Go CGI, which calls the banner view a click and redirects to your landing page, and the other, the get trans CGI, which will write in transaction in the QualityClick system. So let's have a look at the ad code. We go to advertising material, and I prepared a banner, and you can choose between HTML and XHTML. We suppose to do HTML. The difference is that the and ampersand gets rewritten to a normal sign, and that's the difference, but use HTML, you will be fine. So we have this code, and this is a normal link, and this is the tracking link for the click. This is the Go CGI, and let's have a look of this particular parts that consists of. So let's have a look at the ad code. So I copied this, and let's go through it step by step. The very first, this is just a plain domain, the URL of your affiliate network, affiliate.yourdomain.com, and this gets rerouted to our servers. The next is the call of the Go CGI script, and this is a script that counts a click and sets the cookie. The question mark just shows us this is the end of the URL or the link itself, and what's now following are parameters. In this case, it's the name of the parameter and the value. So now we have here the PID equals 12. So PID means affiliate ID, and this will mean the cookie will be set for affiliate 12. And the end just tells us there is another parameter following, and in this case it's the WM ID, which means the ad ID. So this is the ad 3 your customer clicked. And another parameter following the CP ID, this is the campaign ID. If you have the Pro version with just one campaign, this CP ID is always 1. But if you have a multi-campaign system, you differentiate different campaigns with CP ID. PR ID is product ID. You can track cross-selling, saying this is an ad just for, let's say, fashion, and your affiliate just get paid if the customer also buys fashion. If he buys another product, he don't get paid, but normally you leave that out. You want your customers to buy, right? And the last parameter is very important, the target. So this is the link where your customer will be redirected to. And you can set this in the QualityClick system as a link alias. So you can just take the target, the default, or write any other in the QualityClick system, but the link itself will be written in QualityClick, not in the link here. So this is what we have. The affiliate domain with the Go CGI script, which makes the cookie, and with the parameters PID, affiliate ID, WMID means ad 3, CPID means campaign 1, PRID means product 1, and the target is the normal landing page. So we are back in the system, and hope you recognize the link with the URL of this system, the Go CGI, PID, ad 3, campaign 1, PRID, and the target. And what we've got here is pretty much the same. It's the same link which counts the view. So the only difference is the view parameter is 1, and this just tells us count a view and the URL of this banner. Just to show you, under advertising material, manage links, and here you can set the link where your customers gets redirected to after the click on the ad, which is in this case QualityClick.com, but you can write anything you want. So let's check out how this works out for your affiliates. I just go into one affiliate account and I log in as the affiliate itself. So now I'm affiliate 12. I go to program, commission and ads, and here I got my banner for the summer sale. Always choose HTML, you will be fine. And this is pretty much the same, with the only difference the affiliate ID is not 1 like in your administration part. This is the affiliate ID for affiliate 12, which he is. And we have another feature for your affiliates. They can add sub-IDs into this link, so they can create their own sub-IDs to track, have their own controlling of their own ads. So they just can add and, which means another parameter is following, and sub-ID equals, and now they can take anything like banner top and add this banner at the top of the page, and have another sub-ID with banner bottom, and they will get their own statistics, how they perform and how that works out. They can do it on their own. Just add the parameter sub-ID anywhere in this link after the question mark. So I'm back in the administration interface, logged in as manager 1, and let's have a look at the tracking code. You'll find it here under program or your specific campaign and tracking code. and you have two possibilities. Normally this is what you end up implementing in your shop. This is the normal standard tracking pixel. This one, I will tell you something about it. And the conversion tracking code. Conversion tracking code means your affiliates can take their own Google Analytics pixel, put it in their interface, and count their conversions in with Google Analytics or any other platform. I will show you about it in another video, probably called conversion tracking. So I just take this one to show you, but normally it's the same thing integrated with conversion tracking. This is what you end up, and let's see what it is. We take this one here. So I took this and added every possible parameter in the transaction pixel. So let's go through it. Pretty much this is just an image with 1 pixel height and 1 pixel wide, so you don't see it. This is just for tracking. So it consists of the URL, which is the domain or the subdomain of our system, and the call of the get trans CGI, the script that writes a transaction in the QualityClick system, the question mark, which shows us this is the end of the link, and all other parameters and variables are following here. And the parameters are CP-ID, you know it. It's the same like in the ads, the campaign ID. If you just have one program, it's always 1. But if you have more, you have another number here. The TID is a transaction ID, which should be your order number from the shop system, because you recognize sales and transactions in the QualityClick system with that number. So you can take a timestamp, but it's better to use the order number that your shop system creates. So because if you want to cancel a transaction, you can just take this. The Umsatz means volume, and volume without shipping costs and without tax, because you don't want pay percentage commissions for shipping costs, don't you? So the product means the product name, which can be default and or can be another one. You can set it in the QualityClick system. Lieferdatum, it's a German name for delivery date, and Kunde means customer name. So if you want your affiliates to know when the sale gets delivered or which customer bought it, you can tell him that, but you don't need to. An extra ID you can put in there, and then just free text, just something for your own tracking, whatever. PID means affiliate ID, and you don't have to call it. Normally it gets taken from the cookie. So but if you want to make a test, you can take and add the parameter PID and check for a certain affiliate, but normally you don't need it. It will take it from the cookie. Sub ID is a sub ID the affiliate wrote in their ads, so they can see if they made a sale with that particular ad. And the ad ID will be taken from the cookie too. So that's pretty much it. And that's it. If you want to make a test, normally you just need campaign ID, transaction ID to recognize your sale, and the volume if you do have percentage commissions. And if you want to make a test on your own, if then just the call of the pixel works, you can add PID, but normally PID will get taken from the cookie. So I'm back in the system, and this tracking pixel is much shorter, but it's pretty much the same. The URL of our system, the call of the get trans CGI, campaign ID, transaction number, the product, which can be default, and the volume, and the customer if you want to. You don't need free text, extra ID and all that stuff. And you can take this and implement it in your shop completion page. But we recommend take this one. This is what you see here and the conversion tracking code, so your affiliate can track Google Analytics and their sales with Google Analytics. So just take this one, it's the same. Yeah, you see it here, it's the get trans CGI and the same parameters what I showed you already. So that's it, the first look how the standard tracking works with the QualityClick system. So what you need to know is the Go CGI script within the ads places a cookie. The get trans CGI script on your shop completion site reads the cookie and takes the information and writes a transaction with this information and some information you provide in the QualityClick system. And your affiliates may add their own sub-IDs in the ads to have their own tracking of every ad. So that's pretty much it. Check out our another video about bug fixing and tracking test. And check out our website and feel free to contact us. Bye.